Now we're good.
Beautiful arena.
There we go. Thank you, Adam. Awaiting puck drop. The tension is palpable. Here we go. We have Kennedy, Legault, and Bianchini. I think that's a little bit of a line shift, so that's nice. Always like to mix it up. There we go. Back to the defense. Ty Johnston gets it out to Legault. Legault quickly into Kennedy. Kennedy's going down to the left wing. Tries the centering pass. Kept in by Johnston. Bounces around. Still kept in by Gabe. Wanders over, and that'll be an offsides. Went in and out. Little stoppage of play. We'll take a face-off outside the zone. Just start it. Quick line change. Always good to see. Reed Gallagher gathers. Goes all the way back. Pollock's on D. He'll snatch it up. Gets it over to Reed. Reed slap pass to nobody, but it's going to be taken over by Gathers. Gathers going to have a little bit alone. He was hooked. Takes a shot. Goal. That'll count. There we go. Quick 1-0.
You need to stay up here then, more often.
You can watch the replay.
Yeah, we got it.
Mom missed the goal. There we go.
It's all good. I take that. We got a video for you though.
There we go. Crunchell in the face-off. They'll kick it out of the zone. And they'll have a little bit of a 2-on-1. Gomes trying to get back. Lifts his stick. Gets a weak shot off. Who's that? O'Brien kicks it aside. Billish in the defensive zone, trying to get around people. He does. He's stick handling. Oh no, it's Reed. Reed's going end to end. Drop pass. Gathers. Gathers picks it up. Gets back into the corner. Gallagher over for some support. Crunch, take it away. Gallagher takes it out. Gets it over in the middle. Shot. Glove save. Another good line change. Here we go. Looks like we're rotating centers. We miss Devin Harper. Hope he can watch. Thinking of you back at home. Hope you're feeling better. Kennedy, Gallenberger, and Aldridge. Billish and Zavalunov. Kennedy kicks it up the boards to Aldridge. Aldridge fights for it. Kennedy's over in support, drops back to Billish. Billish flicks it up a little bit ahead. It's clear not out from the boards. Crunch will try to take it out. They have to get past too many men and don't. And Gallenberger slaps it back in and it doesn't exit the zone. Good play. Still doesn't exit. Crunch is trying to get it out and finally do. Good thing Zavalunov's back. Billish was pinching a little bit. I'm going to call him like I see him today. Hope they could take it. It's 3 men on the puck. That's good. Good support. Kennedy comes away. Gets it over to Gallenberger. Gallenberger's going to take it in the left-hand side. Ooh, somebody must have been off. Hunter. There's tremors. Tremors here. It's either Alzheimer's or an earthquake. Or I have 2 devices in my hand and can't manage that. One of the 2. So we'll do that. We'll go with 2 hands. Shot knocked aside by O'Brien. No goal. Johnson tries to kick it out. That's touched for the high stick by Gabe, and they'll call it. Face-off won by the Fire. Ty Johnson takes along the board. Gabe's goes scrolling. Ty says, can't pass it to you while you're on the ground. I'll flick it around to Reese. Reese goes a little backhanded pass to Gallagher, and Gallagher will go screaming up the left-hand side. Beat his man and tried to get it off. Ooh, tried to pass. Made a late pass. Little late. No shot off. Gabe has it at the face-off circle. Takes a shot. Glove save. It's always a big decision. Shoot or pass. Shoot or pass.
Good pass.
Good pass. All right, quick line change. Kennedy with Reed and Gathers. Out of the zone. Picked up nicely at center ice by Pollock. Pollock over to Gomes. Gomes up the board to Gathers. Off his stick, quickly exits the zone from the crunch. Gathers will go along the board. Support by center Kennedy. Gomes drops it back to Pollock, who dances by two guys and does a nice little pass over to Reed. Reed slap pass to Kennedy coming up the middle. He's swamped, but gets a nice shot off. Kick saved by the goalie, and the crunch will come the other way. The legs at the zone. That'll be an icing. In 2-1 icing. And we'll come all the way back. All right, take the opportunity to switch it up. Gallagher with Aldridge and Bianchini back to Billish. Gallagher's going to scoop it up in circle, take a bad angle shot, kicked aside by the goalie, kept in by Billish, kept in again by Billish, so they get it out and they might have numbers. 3-on-1. Merrick Gallenberger skating back, doing a great job of back checking. Oh my, I don't know how Connor O'Brien stretches that much. It hurt my leg. Kick save, and nice support, high sticks all around. Nobody's calling it, they got to get it out of the zone. That was their best opportunity yet. Holden's going to get in front of his man, try to take it. Does a nice break, it's shots blocked. He takes it behind the net. He's surveying the scene, kicks it around over to Billish. Billish centering pass, doesn't get through all its people, but he's too far up. And they got another 3-on-1. They're going to get a shot off. Shot wide. Kicked out of the zone. Holden will take it up. He's slammed into the boards. He'll want to call for that. Doesn't get it. Oh, they let all these guys dance through. They're going to get a nice shot off. Blocked again by Connor O'Brien, and that'll be kicked out of the... Somebody's getting called for something.
I got it.
Merrick? Ty?
Tied up the guy.
There we go. It's okay.
Bad change, for sure.
Connor got some action there. Made some great saves. Crunch will try to win that face-off. They do. They take it behind the net. Kick it back to the defense on the man advantage. He gets a high, fluttering shot and in. A knuckleball. Tipped by everybody. That was a hard one to get. That ties it up 1-1. Go 5-1-5. There we go. Kennedy will come away with a face-off. He'll go wide through circle, try to get back, taking off the puck. Still maintains possession of it, trying to get it back over to Reese behind the net. Reese looking surveyed, gets it out in front to a nice pass, and all over the net. Nice little shot, I think, by Ty. Kennedy gets it in the middle, gets around his men. He's tripped. No call. Gabe will pick it up. Gabe at the face-off circle, goes behind the net. He's surveying. He's got Ty. Ty gets it back to Gabe. Gabe's behind the net still. looking to dish it off. He's got people circling, gets it behind the net to Reese. Oh, just skitters by. Aiden upset. Ty gets back though. Ty's got a head of steam, gets it over to Reese. Reese at the center line. Reese is going to do a nice dump and change, and they'll finish, they'll change. Holden will go after it. Crunch will come out of the zone, then back check. Whoa, off the butt of the stick by O'Brien, almost went in on a nice shot. They're letting him get way too many shots, they got to clear it. Gomes gets it. Flicks it up to Reed just past him. Gathers will go chase. Gathers needs to get out of the zone. Back to Reed, over to Gathers. Gathers will spin move, get away from his man. He'll have a nice opportunity. Passes it over to Holden. Holden back to Gathers, just off. Nice team play by the boys. Just out of the reach, and they'll recollect at center ice. Pollock gets it up to Gathers. Gathers will enter the zone. It's along the right-hand side and face off. So backhanded, fluttering little shot made it through the 5-hole and in. There we go, 2-1.
2, got it. Tight up the deep.
All right, get the face off. Gallenberger will come away with it. He'll enter the zone quickly. They seem to have a little bit of speed on him now with a 2-1 lead. Centering pass. Billish will reach that, and he'll slap it back up along the boards. Ooh, there's a headshot and the penalty, and they'll go down. That's Hunter. Go on the man advantage with an elbow. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh, I said 2 minutes. Oh, it's quite. Not for the hit to the head. All right, here we go. Face-off win, back to Billish. Billish tries to get it off. Crunch will get in the way of that. He gets in their way nicely, and it's plucked aside by Kennedy. Kennedy over to Aldridge. Aldridge at the face-off circle tries the centering pass, blocked away. Goes behind the net. Crunch will try to take it back. So in along the boards, we've got 2 fire boys there. Merrick back to Zavulunov, over to Billish. Billish around 1, back in a pass, and that'll go. I don't think it'll be enough for icing, but it might just do it icing. All right, we'll come all the way back. Face-off win by Holden. It's in the corner where I can't see it. I'm sure we'll come out with it. We got the numbers. Yes, we do. Who's that behind the net? Circling. Ty Johnson. Circling. Like a shark at his prey. Gets it off to Gabe. Gabe along the left-hand side. He's in the face-off circle. He's looking. Gets behind the net. Centering pass. Ooh, almost shoved in by Gallagher. Goalie's legs tightened up and blocked it away. It's in along the boards. Gabe has it. It's bouncing all around. They'll try to exit the zone. Quickly attacked. Out of the zone. Ty will pick it up though at center ice and they'll start all over. Gets it off to entering. No icing. No problem. But nobody wants it. Gabe comes away with it. He'll try backhand the shot. Shot wide. Back behind the net. Reese to Gabe. Gabe to Reese. Reese to Gabe. All right, we'll do it center ice. Johnson will take it in with a little bit of speed. He'll do a drop pass for Reese. Reese will take it center, the face-off circle. Still maintains possession. Trying to get a centering pass and does. Ooh, just between the legs of Gabe. Kennedy get a nice change in for Gallagher. Kenny's out there. Yeah, we'll go back center ice. Gomes will take it up. He's got a little bit of speed. Kicks it ahead to Gabe. Gabe's in the middle. He's surrounded by everybody. Kennedy will pick up the drop pass. He'll try a drop pass, but it's taken off. Pollock does a nice job of getting his man, and they don't get any further, and Kennedy will go into the zone with a little bit of speed. Clanks off the goalie inside. Try the shot. Crunch will come away with it, but not with possession. Gathers, plucks the puck off his man. Does a centering pass over to the Crunch guy. Follows it up with a taking his man out and blocking the puck. So that all's well there. Pollock will pick it up in the defensive zone. He looks to make a pass to Reed. Just out of the stretch. Crunch will go the other way, but it's an icy, it's an offsides. They didn't call. Yes, they did call. There we go. Minute left in the period, up 2-1. Go Crunch come away with the face-off, but Gathers does a nice job of poking it back into the circle, and we'll go after and chase. They swarmed them. Crunch can't get it off. Gomes is in there in the face-off circle. Try a shot. Ooh, just wide. Bounced off the goalie. Reed will go collect it. Reed's got Gathers in front, trying to get it to him. Can't get past all his men. Somebody will try to body check Gomes. Never a good idea. Can't do anything there. They're looking. Centering pass.
No defense, no defense, no defense.
Yeah, there's no defense. He's right. Oh, but there we go. Slapped it back. That's an icy. Flutters all the way down. Nope. Nope. Waved it. Didn't get enough speed. Stretch pass to Gathers. Gathers beats his man. He's trying to take it off, but the Crunch take it away from him. And along the boards. High into the zone. Gallagher, they'll chase it. Icy. Comes all over. And they'll do a line change with only 6 seconds left. Crunch will win that face-off. They'll send it down the ice. Instead of icing 2-1-0, end of the period. We'll take a break.